Start in mountain pose, standing with palms facing forward and feet hip distance apart. Roll the right foot from heel to toe and plant it into the ground. Keep a slight bend in the right knee. Bring your left foot to a kickstand or place it anywhere on the standing leg except for the knee. Find a focal point. Bring the hands to prayer. You can grow your tree. When you're ready, you can extend your branches. Take your gaze up and sway the leaves in the wind. Hands to prayer and release. Shake the legs and arms out. Now let's do the other side. Roll the left heel to toe and plant that foot into the ground. Shift the weight over to that side. Keep a slight bend in the knee. Bring the right foot to kickstand and place it anywhere on the standing leg except for the knee. You can stay here or you can grow your tree. Grow your branches. Take your gaze up and sway the leaves in the wind. Shake the muscles out. Namaste.